our VCMC team.
You should be working right now. You're being videoed.
What's that?
Of more turns than they've ever seen in their life. You guys thought the qualifier was bad.
Yeah, at least now we can make our own trail. You don't have to follow the freeways. I'll get it. All right, that's yours.
Bark Busters.
That's no trail.
Fine investment.
Not in our event. You ever notice we're one of the few that have them on our bike?
Huh?
I don't want to go that way, but I'm just seeing where we're at.
All right.
Not bad.
Hi, Ma.